Alright, into the guts we go. Looks like we got 9 balls, so it's a 90 through 95. A little spring to confirm that, and a filter, spring filter. An oddity of this one though was where there should have been a check ball and spring, I had this little weird thing. This is basically the same thing as a check ball. It's just, I guess that's for accuracy. So far everything looks really good, really clean. Surprisingly clean for as old as it is. I'm sure somebody has rebuilt it before me. Well, I guess we're going to go deeper, because that revealed really nothing out of place. So we're going to stand it up and start digging into the pump and see if we can find something new there, because this didn't really show us anything problematic. It actually looks very good, very clean. Alright, till next time, adios.